All right, today we're gonna do dividing polynomials. Okay, so here we have y squared minus y plus 2, okay, and it's going to be divided into y plus 2, okay. So here's how we're going to set it up. We're going to have y plus 2 outside, just like how we do with regular division, y plus 2 outside. And then the inside is the longer of the polynomial here, so y squared minus y plus 2. Now, how do we, how are we going to divide this? How are we going to do it? Well, this is how we're going to look at it. So let's change this color here. So we're going to say, so what we do is we look at the first term, y here, and we look at the first term inside the polynomial here, which is y squared. Now, can y go into y squared? Yes. Okay, y can go into y squared. Okay, so now how we can make it go into y squared? Twice. Okay, so it's twice. So we need to have a y here. Okay, so it's going to be y because y times y, if we put it here, y times y is y squared. Okay, so we need something that gives you a y squared. So that's y squared. So now if we do y times y is y squared. y times 2 is 2y. Okay, plus 2y. And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to subtract it. Just like regular division, we're going to subtract it. So these are going to cancel. Okay, and if we subtract it, we're going to get y. Okay, we're going to get not y, sorry, we're going to get negative 3y. Okay, because negative y minus 2y, okay, is negative 3y. Because if we have it here, if we write it here, negative y minus 2y. Okay, minus 2y. So even though you have a plus here, negative and negative, right? That's negative 3y. Okay, and then we're going to bring down the 2 here. Okay, we're going to bring down the plus 2. Now, now we have to look at y going into negative 3y. Y goes into negative 3y here. Okay, and that will be negative 3. Okay, so that'll be negative 3 because negative 3 times y is negative 3y. So you see how we try to get the same term, the first term, we have to match it, just like how we did here. Y squared minus y squared, so you see that? Okay, and then we're going to do negative 3 times positive 2, which is negative 6. Now we're going to subtract these, right? Negative 3y minus negative 3y is 0. Okay, 2 minus 6 is 8. If you ask why, we can put it here, 2 minus negative 6, right? Remember this change, it's going to be 8. All right, so our remainder here is 8. We have a remainder of 8. So let's see if this checks out, if this is correct, right? Let's see, so our factor here is y minus 3. So let's check it out. So y plus 2 times y minus 3. All right, so let's see if it works out. Okay, so we're gonna get y squared. Okay, y times y is y squared. y times negative 3 is negative 3y. 2 times y is positive 2y. And 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Then we have our remainder. See, our remainder here, we need to add the remainder. Okay, and let's simplify this further. Y squared, negative 3 and minus 2y is negative y. Negative 6 plus 8 is 2. And yes, it does check off. Y squared minus y plus 2, and it checks off right here. So it matches here. So that means we divided it correctly.